How are you today, everyone? Let me introduce myself. My name is Reza. I will be your teachers for today's material. So, today's materials will be four types of sentences. First, we are going to talk about a simple sentence. So, a simple sentence is a sentence that consists of one independent clause with no dependent clause. In other words, the sentence has a subject and a verb and is capable of conveying a complete idea on its own. Here is the example of simple sentence. He likes to read in his free time. In this sentence, he is the subject and likes is the verb. The sentence is clear, straightforward, and stands perfectly on its own. Simple, isn't it? Second, we are going to talk about a compound sentence. So, a compound sentence is a sentence that consists of two independent clauses joined together. Compound sentences are usually connected by coordinating conjunctions, aka Venn Boy's acronym. Here's the example of compound sentence. I like to drink iced tea, but my sister likes to drink orange juice. Here, I like to drink iced tea is the first independent clause. My sister likes to drink orange juice is the second independent clause. Both clauses are balanced and connected by the conjunction but. Third, we are going to talk about complex sentence. Complex sentence is a sentence that consists of one independent clause and at least one dependent clause, followed by subordinating conjunctions such as because, if, although, when, and etc. Here's the example of a complex sentence. The students are listening. This is the independent clauses. While the teacher is speaking. The teacher is speaking is the dependent clause, while is the subordinating conjunction. Lastly, we are going to talk about compound complex sentence. It is a sentence that consists of one more than one independent clause and at least one dependent clause. Here's the example of compound complex sentence. I want to travel to Japan, but I cannot afford it because the plane tickets are too expensive. Let's break it down. I want to travel to Japan is our first independent clause, but I cannot afford it is our second independent clause followed by conjunction but because the plane tickets are too expensive. This is the subordinating clause because there is a subordinating conjunction because. All right, now that we've covered our four types, it's time for game one, practice. So here's the conclusion for today's material. So simple sentence consists of one independent clause. Compound sentence consists of more than one independent clause. Complex sentence consists of one independent clause and at least one dependent clause. For the compound complex sentence consists of more than one independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. That's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed today's material. Have a great day.